get a lot of comments on this Bronco because it's in such great shape, and we're just doing some upgrades on it. It's got a 427 in it, 400, almost 600 horse, I believe it is. And we're now doing some other stuff before we have the exhaust put on. One of which is this step plate right here that was, we bought it pre-made and then we made it, actually adapted it to fit. And when we're finished, we're going to have it chromed. We're going to put a plate somewhere right in here so it's easy to step up on the end of the Bronco without slipping on this. And the other thing that we're doing over here, this got interesting. We saw this brush guard on the internet, and it was on a Bronco that looked just like this. So we thought, oh, we'll just put that one on this Bronco. Turns out the one we saw on the internet was a scale model 1/118, and this was not available. We couldn't even buy it. So we actually found this. It didn't fit a Ford, but we adapted it to this, and you can see that Keanu has actually modified this whole thing that you can get a real tight shot on this. And we're going to cut all this back, and this is just kind of our rough-in version of it to make sure it fits. And then we will bolt it all down, and then we're going to add a set of longboards to the front of it, so to give it some dynamic look and make it fit in Texas.